Uber Eats is getting out of control with their exorbitantly high prices, and they know what they're doing. I tried actually ordering a Big Mac combo meal, and it literally was gonna cost me $30 just to get this delivered. But honestly, that's unacceptable. In today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to get Uber Eats for nearly free, and trust me, you wanna watch this video to the very end because this method has saved me thousands. Let's go. Hey guys, Shifter Reviews here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and today I'm gonna be going over exactly how to get Uber Eats for essentially free. As you guys know, I've been covering different methods on how to save money, and I feel like this is by far some of the best advice that I can give you guys on saving money on food delivery. But if you are new to the channel, I highly recommend subscribing and liking the video because you do not want to miss out on money making methods like this. But anyways, let's go ahead and dive right into it. In order to do the method, all you're going to need is a mobile phone, and you're going to need to head over to the App Store or Google Play Store. Yes, this does work on Android and iOS. You want to download the app Uber Eats, but very important, you want to sign up for a brand new account. When you are signing up for Uber Eats, it may actually ask you for a phone number, so definitely keep that in mind when signing up. You can actually use your own, or if you already used yours, you can actually use a VoIP number, which is going to be Google Voice, Signal, you guys name it, Text Now. All these numbers should work, or you could always use a website called textverified.com to go ahead and get a number. Once you guys are signed up, you want to go ahead and add $25 worth of items in your cart. I already have a cart here. As you guys can see, I have a bunch of them that are pretty much filled to $25. I want to go to select this one right here. Then you want to go to checkout. You're going to click on no thanks to these upsells, and you're going to find a section called promotions. Once you get to this screen, you want to go ahead and type in the promo code that's going to be down in the description below. It will allow you to go ahead and save $10 off your Uber Eats order as long as you are a new user. It is really that easy to save money on Uber Eats, but I'm not done yet, guys. I got another method that is built in to Uber Eats that you can easily take advantage of. This is actually going to be an Uber One subscription. Once you get this, and yes, you can actually get this for free. There is a free trial with your brand new account. That's why I'm encouraging you guys to go ahead and make a brand new one, but you can actually save money just by getting this subscription, then quickly canceling it. And what's crazy is if you actually cancel, they'll give you 90% off for 3 months, meaning that you can get Uber One for just around $3, which is honestly crazy. So I highly recommend taking advantage of that. But each order, you'll probably save around $2 to $4 every single time. So it's a no-brainer to go ahead and get this. Also, if you click on partner rewards, there's something that I do want to show you, and it's going to be the $10 Amex reward. So you actually get one for having an Amex gold card, which is going to be $10, or you could actually get the Amex platinum, and you're going to go ahead and get a $25 Uber Eats credit every single month, which is definitely a decent amount. But keep in mind, I do want to let you know that you're pretty much paying for these credits. So for basically to have this credit card, you're gonna have to pay $325 every single year, but you do get $10 back in Uber Eats credit. So this is one method that I've been using, but the points kind of pretty much outweigh having this card, and it's very, very beneficial. As you can see, since I am a card holder, I actually do get the $10 bonus every single month, but keep in mind, it actually renews on the 1st, and if you do not use it within that month, these credits do not stack. So make sure you go ahead and use these along with the promo code that I just mentioned before. For our next method, it's going to be to download the app called AttaPoll. This is one that I've been recommending quite often on the channel, and it's actually for a good reason. This is pretty much the app that I go to make some extra cash, and a lot of you guys seem like you love this app, so let me go to show you how to use it. Simply type in AttaPoll into the App Store, and you're going to come across an app looking like this. Install it, and then open it up. When you guys are signing up, you do want to go ahead and type in the code dbfcm for a free 50 cents. It's literally free money, and you can see I have $70 within my balance, and I can easily cash this out to different things. And this is where it gets crazy, guys. Click on the cash out button, and you're going to find a bunch of different ones, but look right there. We have an Uber Eats gift card that we can easily cash out to. And this is what I love about this app, that I could literally redeem this within seconds. But one of my favorite ones is going to be to use the PayPal option, because I can use this anywhere. But if you guys are looking specifically for food, let's say you're under 18, or you're just not able to go ahead and get a PayPal account, then you may want to go with the direct gift card. and then add it to your Uber Eats account, and you can get free food. So how this app works is you basically take surveys and anybody can do them. They're just so easy. You can also get paid to play video games. Anybody can do this. This is why I love AttaPoll so much. As you can see, there's just so many cash out options that you can go through. Here's the survey tab. As you can see, there's a bunch of different surveys that you can take, and they don't take any time at all. There's also a games tab, which I haven't really tested myself, but I know if you play for a couple of hours, you will be rewarded with $15, which honestly doesn't sound like a lot, but you're definitely going to be able to cash out very, very fast. Just in case you forgot to put in the invitation code, all you have to do is go over to the far right tab, and you're going to see a section called enter invitation code. Go ahead and type it in, dbfcm, and you'll get your free 50 cents directly deposited into your balance. And what I love about this app as well is the minimum cash out is not high at all. At a very low $2.50, you could easily have your money in gift card or PayPal form. I want to take one of the surveys with you guys just to show you how easy it is. So I'm going to click on the 1 cent survey, and I know this isn't a lot, but I want to show you how quickly you can do these. Which of the following is not an animal? Obviously it's going to be a desk. That question we just answered was a speed trap, so make sure you are actually answering these truthfully. Which language are you able to take surveys in? Obviously only English. That's the only language I know, but you can select multiple if you do know multiple languages. Which of the following social media platforms are you active on? I'm only active on YouTube, Instagram, and Discord, which is honestly the good answer. I do not currently have car insurance. And just like that, we were rewarded 1 cent. It doesn't sound like a lot, but you see how quickly that was able to be done, and pretty much all the surveys are like that, so you can make lots and lots of money. I have friends that are making around $5 an hour. It doesn't sound like a lot, but it definitely can add up, and you can easily cash out into free food. For our next app that we have, it's going to be Eureka, and this is one that I've been using for quite a bit now. And let's go ahead and open it up. You can find this in the Google Play or App Store. Very, very simple stuff. And as you can see right here, we do have a bunch of different surveys that we can sign up for. When you sign up, head over to the far right tab, and you're going to find a section called $1 referrals. Click on that. Then you want to click on enter code. You're going to type in GUDW4I. This code is going to give you a free dollar as soon as you cash out. Very, very simple stuff. The survey is very, very easy to do. Anybody can do it. This app also does have the ability to play games. You can go and complete surveys and so many other things. They have a bunch of different offers on here. You can download apps in order to make money, surveys, games, you guys name it, it's here. As you can see, I do have the $6 needed to go ahead and cash out. The minimum for this app is a little bit higher. It is at $5, but they are pretty generous with their sign up bonus and also how much you can actually cash out. So let's head over to the rewards here, and you can find a bunch of different rewards that you can do. You got Target, you got Amazon, you got PayPal, which is my favorite, which it actually does it in seconds. You got Best Buy, eBay, pretty much everything that you could imagine. But if you are looking to go and get some free Uber Eats, you are going to need to head over to these tabs right here, which is going to be Visa or PayPal, because those are the ones that you can use directly on the site. Unfortunately, they do not have an Uber Eats gift card. They do have Panera Bread though, and a bunch of other places that you can shop directly. But the reason why I actually shop at Uber Eats is because I'm able to go ahead and pick the restaurant that I want. And another thing is, you could actually use Uber Eats just to place orders, meaning that you can go ahead and pick them up yourself and circumvent a lot of their extra costs. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed and we're able to go and figure out how to get Uber Eats for pretty much free. It's not going to be 100% free as in zero, but you are going to be saving a lot of money in the long run if you keep using these methods, and this is one that I have been using every single time, so I highly recommend for you guys to tap in with these Uber Eats promo codes. But I'll see you guys next time in the next video for Shift Reviews. Bye.